What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I wanted to test some springs out, some 3D printed springs. And yeah, I haven't planned making like 3 different ones, different strengths and different sizes, and seeing which one is best and maybe in the future using it somewhere. So the spring can be 30. Let's just make ourselves an outline real quick. Like 30 by 10. Make it 15. Yeah, that's cool. Now, maybe something like that. So we've got the sketch now. Let's put it into 3D shape. Just like that. You connect it everywhere. It goes here, here, here. Beautiful. And let's extrude it for like, how wide should it be? 15. 15 is probably good. And that's a spring, I guess. So let's test that one and add some things to it, remove some things from it, see how well it does. Let's just make it smaller, save it. How long? 36 minutes. That's fine. So let's save it. And pop the card in. And let's get printing. So I just got back and, well, thank you. Let's stop that. Like, I'm gonna be honest, this never happened before. Oh shit. Yeah. Heat it up. Let's see. I can get that off. Yeah, looking beautiful. As you can see, it was a successful print, definitely. So let's try that again. Maybe this time will work, hopefully. So, it's finished now. As you can see, it's a little bit warped, so I'm gonna need probably like some better adhesion, but the spring works. It's like more of a tension, like, you know, this, you can pull it, but it's not more of a compression. Compression is ass. This tension is good. So yeah, let's make another one and see that one. So we're back in Fusion. My theory was that it just wasn't stiff enough, so I'm just gonna do another one, but like make these things a little more wide. Let's just make 30 and maybe 40 now. 40? No. Like 20. 20 is good. So let's make it 30 by 2 now. I want to try. Let's finish the sketch. Let's see this. Select everything we need. Just like that, looking good. Do it like 5 high. Yeah. Let's save that. Spring 2. Get rid of the old one. Spring 2. Slice. And let's try it out. So get the card in. As always, I already preheated it. Start. Turn the light on. Yeah, beautiful. So the print is done now. Let's see if it's better. Yeah, compress is good. So tomorrow I'm gonna build a fidget toy with it. Yeah, successful project. Until the next time.